So we're going to make this cat look like that. So let's start by adding in our favorite little footage. I've got this cat. Meow. Create a new composition, and it's only going to be 10 pixels by 10 pixels. We're going to call this one R pixel. And you're going to go, where is that? And it's all the way in here. So immediately we're going to grab the shape layer and make it 2 by 8 right there. See, it's perfect. Then we're going to duplicate that twice and rename them to G pixel and B pixel. G pixel will edit and just move this over a couple pixels, and this B pixel will move it all the way to the other end. So now that you have 3 pixels, that should look like this. We're going to go back to original composition, and let's start by tossing the red pixel over there. First, let's get it into position. We're going to have it at position 5, 5, which centers it right here at the top left corner, since it's exactly 10 pixels large. Just to prepare our footage, we're going to put the mosaic effect on, and we're going to edit that so it's 192 wide by 108 tall, which is going to be the size of our screen. So let's get this R pixel, and we're going to use the CC Reptile effect. So to the right, we're going to do 1910, and then down we're going to do 1070. So instead of 1920 by 1080, this is 1910 by 1070. And so now we've got these nice pixels. And as you can see, if you zoom in, they overlay pretty perfectly. What we're going to do now is we're going to take our footage and we're going to apply a channel mixer to it, remove the green and blue so that it's only red, and then on our pixel here, we're going to change it to Stencil Luma. And what that's going to do is create these nice fading in pixels where the red is getting lighter and darker. We're going to pre-compose that together and call that red screen, and then let's duplicate that twice again. We'll call the second one green screen, and the third one blue screen. To edit the green screen, we're going to keep all the effects on our pixel by just selecting it, and then going to our project and alt-dragging the G pixel over our pixel. So as you can see, what used to be the R pixel on the left is now the G pixel in the middle. Then we're going to change the channel mixer to go 100% green, 0% red. So now we've got our green pixels. We're going to go to blue screen, replace R pixel with B pixel by alt-dragging the composition over it so that it retains all the effects. And then we're going to change this so that it's 0 red and 100% blue. And as you can see, we've got our blue pixels now. Now we can go to our original pre-comp, take all of our screens that we made, in addition to a solid black background, and we've got a beautiful TV screen. So there's a million things you can do with this. I like to add some effects and maybe offset some of the colors. And the nice thing about this is that you can actually change the shape of the individual pixels. So if I wanted to make the blue pixel, let's say, some weird shape like that, then I'll go back in, and you can see my blue pixel has become this strange line. Same with the red pixel. Just rotate that, move it somewhere. And obviously this will mess with your screen, but you can get some pretty cool effects. I've created an After Effects template for this effect if you'd like to do it without doing it manually by yourself. Check the link in my bio.